Hello and welcome to Art 344 and Art 444 Design for the Internet. And for the Spring 2021 semester, we will be using the Canvas Learning Management System. And I'll just point out a few of the features quickly. On the left-hand side, you will note the black column, and within the column are the basic navigation tools you will use in the Canvas environment. Okay, there's separate navigation which we'll go over quickly for your specific class, but on the left-hand side in the black column is the default navigation for Canvas. Now, what we're looking at first is our dashboard. The dashboard will show you the tiles of published and unpublished courses. Now you're looking at my dashboard. In a moment we will go into a student view, so you will see your Canvas and what you should be seeing in your Canvas environment. Alright, so again on the left hand side we will select from the main navigation account. You should go into your notifications, and in the notifications what you're going to do is set a type of notification for each of the course activities. So as an example, course content, we could come over to this second column and we can set the type of notification. Notify immediately, daily summary, weekly summary, or notifications off. So if you scroll down the page, you will see a list of different notification settings. So you need to go through and set up your notifications the way you choose. You can also have the notifications push to other devices. All right, next, profile. It's a good idea for you to go ahead and add a picture or avatar or caricature of yourself to your profile. And it's always a nice idea to add your own biography also. All right, so after the dashboard, we then have the link on the left-hand side for courses, and you'll just see a list of all of your courses. Okay, or there's a link to, I should say, you have your published, your unpublished, and then you'll have a link to all of your courses. We then have our calendar, and the calendar, you'll notice in the column on the right hand side, you can toggle on and off your different classes, and you will populate or unpopulate your calendar based on which classes you have selected or not selected. So the calendar is a really useful tool for tracking what you should be working on, due dates and assignments or tasks that you have completed also. On the left in the main navigation we have our inbox. We can use the inbox to communicate with one another. It's a email notification system within Canvas, and it connects to your SDSU email also. All right, that's probably enough for the main navigation. Let's go back to our dashboard, and our class at this time is on published, but we can still take a look at the class. On the left-hand side, we have a list of our navigation. In the center, we have our announcements, and then we have some class resources. And then on the left-hand side, you'll see some resources which you use in Canvas. I'm going to go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner and go into Student View. And you will notice on the left-hand side, the navigation links have reduced. You are only going to see Home, Announcements, Modules, Grade, Syllabus, and your library resources. In the center column, you will always see the latest 3 announcements. Right below, you're going to see on a column on the left-hand side of the center column, you will see important quick links as well as a direct link for my email. In the column to the left in the center, you will see a list of weeks. Each week will go to a specific module which will have content which we are working on that week during the class. All right, let's scroll up. Now on the right-hand side, you will see a to-do list, and on your various assignments, I tag different things when you should do them and the dates that they should be done or when they're due. So you'll see this list, and this is very helpful for you also. Modules. So I'm selecting modules from the list on the left, from navigation list on the left-hand side, and we're breaking down each week of the course. And in the modules, I list various tasks which you need to complete. You will note there is complete all items and there's a green check mark. So basically what happens is you have to access and or complete the task in each of these in the modules. Excellent. You now have a general idea of how we will be working in our Canvas class and a general layout of our modules and how your assignments will be made available to you.